Conduction of sap. The water absorbed by the plants is called sap because it is a dilute solution of minerals. The upward movement of water or sap from the roots towards the top of the plant is called the conduction of sap or ascent of sap. It occurs through the tracheids and vessels of xylem tissue. The rate of ascent of sap is 10 to 75 centimeters per minute. Conduction of sap occurs due to capillary force, root pressure, and transpiration pull. Capillary force. Xylem tissues present in the cell acts as capillary tubes through which water rises due to capillary actions. Root pressure. This activity pushes the water upwards all along the length of the stem. Transpiration pull. Transpiration causes loss of water from the leaves. This creates a unidirectional pull that forces water through the xylem vessels. This force with which water is pulled up the xylem is called transpiration pull. Did you know? Xylem and phloem tissues are involved in the conduction processes within plants. While sugars are conducted by the phloem, water and other nutrients are conducted by the xylem. Due to absorption of water, the plant cell becomes swollen or turgid. The protoplasm of this turgid cell presses the cell wall out from the side with a force called turgor pressure. Water is an essential component in photosynthesis which helps the plants to produce food. Plants absorb water and minerals dissolved in water. Water helps in transportation of substances from one region to another. Water plays significant role in maintaining the support, form and growth of plant cell by providing turgidity. Water is a major component of protoplasm. Water is a general solvent of living system where various vital activities of life are carried out. Water helps in cooling the plants by causing evaporation from the surface of leaves. The upward movement of water from the roots towards the top of the plant is called ascent of sap. Ascent of sap or the conduction of sap occurs through the tracheids and vessels of xylem tissue. Conduction of sap occurs due to capillary force, root pressure and transpiration pull. Due to absorption of water, the plant cell becomes swollen or turgid and the protoplasm of this turgid cell presses the cell wall out. The turgor pressure is a physical phenomenon caused due to osmosis. Water plays a significant role in photosynthesis and in transportation of substances. It also maintains the form and growth of plant and cell protoplasm.